0.025. Yeah, this one. But so you can see in the table that the t is 0.025, and the degree of freedom is depends with the data. Yeah, the data point. If the data the sample size is 15, so 15 minus 1. Okay, maybe later on you will see the real application of this one. Okay, what else? Confidence interval. Also, you also have this one. This is similar to average value, but this one is find the proportion. So the confidence interval of proportion. This is the formula using p hat. This is the proportion. Okay, and the last one is to find the sample size. This one. This is from Dr. Neil video. Okay, this is the formula to find the sample size. So how many sample size that I need to take? Yeah, using this one, the z-score. Okay, so it is all summarized in here. You also can see from Fuse. Here, Fuse. This one. And then, where is it? From Fuse. Oh, the formula here, this one. Yeah. It consists of formula from week 1 to week 13. Okay. From this one, formula sheet, this one. If you open, will be like this one. So I think it's quite easy to this one. And today's topic 4A is in page 7. Here. So these are the formula that we will use today. Okay. Oh, here again on Fuse, you go to important handouts. This one, important handouts. Go to the formulas. This one, setting for formula tables, and you click it. Is it yes? Okay. Important handouts. Okay, let's see here, page this one. So this is all the formula that you will use in today's tutorial. This is to calculate the sample size for mean, and this one is for the proportion, and this one. Okay, so this is the decision tree. This graph is quite good for you. So you have to see the questions. The question asking you finding the mean, the average value, or the proportion. Yeah. If the question asking something related to mean, so you have to go to here. Yeah. Okay. So another step is the population normal or not? For example, if from the question it is from normal distribution, so you have to go here. Yes. But it is not. No, you have to go here. And then you have to check the sample size. Is it the sample size big or not? If quite big, bigger than 30, so you go to here and you have to use the z-score. Yeah. If the sample size is smaller than 30, so you have to use the cannot find confidence interval in this unit. Okay. So that's the other problem. Okay. So you can find the confidence interval. But this one is to find the confidence interval. Okay. So this is based on the decision tree. So if the population is normal, yes, and then you have to see if the population standard deviation is known or not. If not, then you have to use the t-score, the t table, the one that you received today. If it is, you know, the standard deviation of the population, you have to use the z-score, the last week table. Okay, so it's okay. No need to memorize this one, but you can take a look here. Yeah. Maybe we go to this one example right now, one population parameter estimation. Okay, so like this one. So a university lecture recommend a student maybe at least 20 minutes to review, like to watch the video, 20 minutes. And then, so this one from the question, is it known that we have normal or not normal? From these questions, we know that this is normal distribution. So if you see this table, so it will go to here. We know that this is from normal distribution. Okay. And this one is dealing with proportion or dealing with mean? Mean, right? Not with proportion. So you know, yeah, go to the so like this one. Yeah. First we are dealing with mean, right? So here. And then we know that this one is normal distribution. Okay? So we can use this one or this one. Yeah. But again, is the population of standard deviation is known? This one from the questions. Do you know the population standard deviation here from these questions? From these questions? Maybe I make it last. There is like some word mentioned the population standard deviation is equal to blah blah blah. Do they have here in this?
No.
No, right? So is it? So we don't know. Yeah. If we know the population standard deviation, we can use the z-score. But this one is unknown. This one, yeah. So we use this one, the t table. Yeah. Since we don't know the population standard deviation, okay. In case if the question is, so the population standard deviation is measured at, we know some numbers, so you have to use the z-score, the z-table last week, yeah. But because in here there is no information, right, about the population standard deviation, so just use the z-table, okay. Okay, let's see this one. So let's erase this one. It's asking you the confidence interval. The confidence interval. So the formula is x bar. We use the t or the z this time. For this question, using the z or t. Oh, the t, right? Yeah. So this one is using the t. Plus minus t alpha over 2. And then standard deviation over n. Okay. Okay, so here is the data. Yeah. Since the population of the standard deviation is unknown, so we use this formula, not the z. Okay. And what else? We need to find the x bar. We don't know the x bar, right? The x bar. So you need to find the x bar first. Oh, and also construct 95% confidence interval for the from the questions. This one. Construct 95% confidence interval. So we know that the confidence interval is 95%. 95%. This is the we know, and we know some data, right? 22, and then 15, 1, 14, blah blah blah. Yeah. So you have to find the x bar first. What is the average value of this number? Maybe you can help me to find the x bar, the average value of the sample. This is from the number. Get the number. Find the x bar. You still remember it? It's like the first week, I think, to find the average value from this data. Maybe Renat, you still remember how to find the average value of this, the x bar. This is from the sample. You have some number, right? How to find the average value?
Jumlah semua
Yes.
dibagi.
You need to sum it all and then divide it by
Total number.
total number. What is it? How many is the total number? Yeah, something. 15. Yeah, divide by 15. Okay. Maybe you already get the number, the x bar. 18.133. 18.133. We 3 decimal place, yeah. So you know how to get this one. So you know this one. Next step, you know the n. Yes, you know the n. Do you know the s? Not yet, right? What is the s stand for? Maybe you still remember? Yes, the standard deviation. Yeah, so you find the standard deviation from that one. So remember how to do it? Still, the standard deviation. It's like the first quiz, I think. The first quiz. To find the standard deviations. Also, you can see from the formula here, formula sheet, this one. Here, yeah. We learned this one first week, I think. Here. This is. Or maybe it's too complicated if you see this one. Using the. Okay, to find the standard deviation, you can find the using this one, square root. And then maybe if you still remember, this will be the actual data. The first data will be from the questions, will be around the first data point is 22, right? Yeah, so 22 minus the x, our mean, yeah, is 18.150. And then you need to square it. 18.150. And then plus it, second data is around 15. So 15 minus 150 also. And then square it. Continue up to the last data. Okay, up to here. Last data will be 20.
No, that's gonna take a very long time, right?
Yeah, yeah, gonna be a very long time. Yeah, but you know how to calculate, right? Using calculator also possible. Yeah, it's 15. Yeah, but it's okay. Maybe some of you can find it
Ini
finish.
kan 20 dikurangi meane tuh, meane kan apa tuh? Lu bikin gitu sampai nomor 20 tuh. Jadi 22 kurangi segitu.
And then
Tambah
divide it
15
by
kurangi mean tambah 1
n minus 1,
gitu,
not
sampai
n, because this is sample. Yeah, if samples need n minus 1, but if from population just n. Okay, so will be 15 minus 1. Okay,
20.
so maybe because this is quite long.
Standard deviation. Aku enggak coefficient.
Wait, S is standardization. But why not use the symbol of
Sigma.
yes?
Sigma is for population.
Oh.
Yeah, sigma is for population. Because we don't know, this is not known, right? From the
Yes.
population, so we use S.
Oh.
It's like X per and mu. Because this is dealing with the sample, okay? With the sample.
What is alpha? In here the alpha is 0.05. Let's
Okay, it's based from the confidence interval. Okay, let me.
Okay,
give
yeah.
the confidence interval first, yeah. Maybe you already find the X S.
No.
The S 9.75. 9.55. Okay, that's correct. Thank you. So not too long. This is the S. Okay, so we know right now the S. But the question we don't know this one, right? Yeah. If you already know this one, I mean you can just plug in the formula. You can get the number. But you know how to find the standard deviation. Is there any question related to the standard deviation? To find the average value, it's okay, right? Is it okay?
Oh no. Suarakan itu. Suarakan. Panas sama
But if you know, yeah. Oh, you have the filter way?
Namanya pen corrector.
Yeah.
Nggak tahu.
Yes.
Boleh
Yeah.
di sini.
Oh yeah, also possible. Also possible. So also possible using the n, using the not manually, right? Just sigma from the formula sheet that you did this one, right? So Sam already find the, if you don't want too long, that's why he can find it very quick. This one, yeah, or you can this one instead of doing manually. This one, but there is two ways.
It's the same with that.
Different ways, but the same answer. It's up to you which one that you are more familiar with, yeah. Yeah, it's up to you. You want to square sigma xi square. I think this is like your first quiz, yeah. Yeah, the same result, different approach. I don't know which one that you are more familiar with. Yeah, there are many ways to.
Which formula did you use for this one? For finding S.
Mhm.
What formula did you use for finding S?
You can use that one on here.
Sample variance?
But still, this one you need to calculate the x bar, right? First, everything need to find the x bar. Both of them need to find the x bar. You see the x bar. But again, here, this is x variance, so the standard deviation will be this one. Similar, but this one is using square root, right? Because this is power to 2, okay? Now, if there is no question with this one, let's move to the T table. Okay? So we know that you already have the x bar, you have the S, you have the N, right? You can find this one, the T alpha over 2. So you see from your table, okay. Now, okay. Still have questions related to this one? 1 minute. 1 minute, okay, 1 minute. But you know this one, yeah, right? You know this one, you know this one. Yeah? This. Apa? Now, this one, the multiplier. The multiplier.
Oh.
So we need to find P0.
Oh, belum. Lanjut, apa this? So, Sharon already decide. Okay, almost. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is like the question of Reinhard answer, I think. We have no, from the questions, the confidence interval is 95%. It can be 90%, it can be 99%, depend, it can change, right? But this one is 95% confidence interval. So it's like 95% of the data will fall here. Okay, this is like the shape, yeah. Okay, so we know this one. This is the lower limit LCL. This is the upper limit LCL. This one. Okay, this is the mean, the mu. Okay, so like if this one is 95%, total will be 100%. Total of the area. All.
Yeah.
So this part will be how many? This one will be
2.5%.
2.5%, and this one will be 2.5%. 2.5% is equal to 0.25. Okay, and this one will be 0.975. Okay, now let's take a look from the table. You can see this one, the upper one, where the T is equal to 0.025. Okay, and you have a lot of degree of freedom. You have so many rows, right? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is how to get this number is from the n minus 1. What is your n right now? The question? 15. So 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. So you go to row 14, this one.
Yeah.
2 point. This one, 2145. So this one is 2145. Okay.
Susah.
Berarti dia ngomong susah tuh apa di kita?
Anggap referensi.
Buat itu tambah susah.
Okay.
Understand nothing.
Oh, wait. Why do you erase?
Oh, not yet. I need to explain.
What did you erase?
Oh, I forgot. Something like to.
Like the x and 1 and 15.
Oh, right.
Oh, what?
The degree of freedom.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Apa-apa?
The degree of freedom is n minus 1. Okay.
okay.
Why did you choose the TO.025?
It's from the confidence interval is 95%. So 95%, so it becomes 2.5 here and 2.5 here.
Oh.
That's why 2.5 equal to 0.025.
Not T.05.
T 0 no, yeah. T 0.505 no. Yeah, it's T 0.25. Just this one. I want to find this.
I'm going to LCL, not the UCL.
Okay, good questions. If why not the T 09675, right? Like in the Cisco. The problem is we don't have the T here. But actually, if you find it longer, the result will be same. 2145. Actually same. So this, but the difference is actually the symbol. Actually for this one will be minus 2145. And this one will be plus 2145. The multiplier. Actually just the symbol. That's why you have this one, plus and minus. So it's same, you want to use this one or this one?
Wait.
But again, your table only up to 0.005.
But if there's kalau misalnya kanan ada,
Yeah.
itu kan nggak masalah.
Yeah, it's okay. But again, actually the same result.
Oh.
They have to do this, yeah?
Why is the ones that use is the 0.025?
Because the confidence interval is 95%. 95%, okay? 95% data will be here.
Okay.
If I divide it, this is the lower limit, yeah? So this is 2.5%, right? This one plus this one will be 5%. So yeah, it will be that. Okay? So again, if my question is changed, if the confidence interval is become 90%,
5
Yeah.
and 5.
this time you need to find the 0.05.
Oh.
So it's always the lower limit?
Always the lower limit because here this one is lower. But actually the upper limit also give you the same number with the okay?
But what's the connections with the T on this one, the alpha?
We will put this one into this one. Okay? The connection is here.
Oh, so T alpha divided by 2 is,
Yeah. T alpha over 2 or
or
T
is the from the table?
is from the table. That's the multiplier.
Oh.
Multiplier. Yeah. Multiplier. Okay?
Apa?
Yeah. Which one? Still confused? How to get the
Ya lu bolong sehari.
oh from the sun. Oh, the sun.
Sehari
Okay.
nggak pakai aja.
So
Nggak tahu apa materi.
using the formula. It's
Loh, tapi karena tapi materi situ itu masih ada
So
hubungan di materi situ.
every
Kita
observation
nggak pernah belajar di
minus with the x bar, you
Nah,
square
kalau
it
dari kemarin bolos lu pasti
One by
pakai.
one.
one by one. Or if you don't want, you can use
Enggak.
the formula sigma x e square. Yeah.
Cibit itu di tugas itu enggak maksudnya itu di kalau itu dibikin kopas langsung dikirim gitu.
This one.
Enggak. Kalau yang tadi gitu.
Oh, okay.
I think it's easier, right? And faster. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Sampai
this one.
dicek sama Adi Darmawan, pledge ratingnya 90%. Mati. Yang nomor 1 Fleksibilitasnya 20%. Berdua 0%, itu
In
kita
the
20%.
formula, there's like
Gue
over
pakai
2.
GPT, tapi gue bener-bener ganti pakai kata-kata
The
gitu.
alpha.
It's actually, oh yeah, that's why it's 2.5. So, okay, this is the confidence interval, right? Interval is 95%. Actually, the alpha is like the error, yeah. Alpha is error, so 100 minus this one, 95%. So it's equal with 5%. That's why if alpha over 2 is equal with 5 over 2, 2.5.
Okay.
But how, actually this one, you have this 95% data here, so that's why here 2.5. Okay, thanks for the question, make it more, yeah, clearer.
Mata.
Ada
Ada. Ini apa tuh? Iya.
So if the confidence interval is changed like 90, okay, can become like 90. So it become, the alpha is now like 10. This one is 10, but become 5%. But also similar with this one, this is the lower limit. So like should be 100%. So it's okay. Winston, cara apa Pak? Jason?
Dua tujuh.
Now let's look plug the value. Okay. That's why to get the number, the multiplier is like less big. I think you get the z score, right? The z alpha something, the multiplier. Yes. So you have now the lower limit and also the upper limit between these two numbers. For lower limit,
Oh, gimana?
the symbol will be minus. For the upper limit, the symbol will be plus. Yeah. So this number for x bar minus this.
Oh, dari itu bawa kopi. Aku, kok diperhatiin?
Hari gitu. Tepat.
Terus aja lagi.
Yes. Berapa lagi? Berapa lagi?
Aku boleh bareng.
Apa?
Boleh bareng.
Lagi berangkat ya tadi? Enggak. Kamu kayak smart.
Bisa. Lu, apa jangan-jangan konco? Kon mau nonton di kita?
Kontak lah.
Apa kita
Degree
nonton
of
konstan?
freedom, the
Enggak.
yeah.
Oh, mau.
Is n minus 1, the formula to degree of freedom.
Coba, aku main apa nih? Aku boleh.
So berarti estimation-nya itu 12,73 sampai 23,54 menit.
Yeah, you need to write up to here. If the question asking you the confidence interval, which is it? So, the calculation means around from this one to this number. Still has question? Can I do this one?
LCL itu yang buat yang lu.
Yeah, lower.
Oke.
LCL is lower confidence limit. UCL is upper confidence limit.
Oke.
Don't forget if, yeah, maybe if the question asking you what is the upper confidence limit, so you just write answer the last one, 23.550 something. Okay. also can happen also. Find the confidence interval if the population of the standard deviation is known. So you have to use the z-score instead of the t. If the population of the standard, the sigma, we know the sigma from the questions. It's not the t, but the z. The multiplier, you don't look at the t table, but look at the z. Look at z in case, yeah. But this one, we don't know the sigma actually here. Okay, still good. Can I move to the next questions? Okay, next question. So they have a researcher want to study various characteristics of shopping center in the state. Okay, so they have random sample of 1,000 retail store. Wow, it takes time to sampling 1,000 retail store, yeah, and reveals that from the 10,000. Oh, but this one is quite easy. You can use from the database. So from 10,000, 200 stores sells food. Yeah, it's a food.
It's 1,000.
Hmm?
It's 1,000.
Oh yeah, 1,000. Oh yeah, 1,000. Yeah. So 210 stores from 1,000 they sell food. Okay, but I don't know with the rest. Yeah, maybe they sell clothes, sell PC. I don't know. Yeah. And now you have to construct 95% confidence interval for the population proportion of retail which sell food. Okay. So this one is not dealing with the average value, but this one using the, if you see this one, the proportion, correct? Let's see. Dealing with the proportion. If you see the decision tree here, now this one. First example, we deal with this one. But the second example, we deal with this one. Okay? And only one formula. This one. Here you have two formula, but depends with the decision. So the formula is this one. You have to find the p hat plus minus, and this one is not using p table, but using the z. The z table. Yeah. The only formula for proportion. What is q? Q is 1 minus p. 1 minus p. Let's see. Okay. Can I go back to the questions? This one. So here, you know what is the n from these questions? Thousands, yeah. And maybe you can guess what is the p hat, the proportion of sales, the p hat, the proportion of store sales food will be the p hat. Okay, we know that 90. Oh, first we know that it's 95% confidence interval, right? So this one, no problem with this. And 1,000 samples, so it becomes n. This one. And given 210 so food, so the x will be 200. But this one is only x. The question is asking you about the proportion. So the proportion, for example, if you have this one, 1,000, and 200 of them sell foods, maybe the other is not. So to find the proportion of this one is like 210 over 1,000, yeah? So you get this one, the 0.21. So your 0.21 become your p hat. Okay. And for the q hat, this one is 1 minus p hat. So 1 minus 0.21, 0.79. Okay. The formula is this one. So all the information get here, right? The p hat is equal to 0.21. The q is 0.71, 79, and is equal to Okay. And alpha over 2, you know it from the question, is 95% confidence interval. Do you bring your C table? Still bring? Okay, good. If no, then you can see it here. The C a bit different with T table. If T, we can see it directly, and it's the degree of freedom. Here, no degree of freedom. Just see, let's see the 0.97. So we have this one. Actually the same, yeah. It belongs to 1.96. You also can find the 0.025 if you want, but I think also similar, 1.96, but minus, negative 1. If you want to take a look, but I don't bring the z-score. And this one is only 1.
So we're supposed to search for the positive one? Like,
It's up to you, positive one or negative one, because the confidence limit will have two, right? Actually, the positive and the negative, the value is same.
so like it's okay if you don't change it to 0.97.
Yeah, for example, I don't want to find in 0.97, I want to find the 0.025 from the table, yeah, it's okay. Then you will get minus 1.96. Yeah. So it becomes the lower limit, right? You find lower limit first. Yeah, but this one is only for the upper limit. The same number but different sign. Yeah. One is positive, one is negative.
Yes, I'm so confused. Why you should? Why is more than the C is more than this one? It's C more than C.
C less than
5.
Oh, I think the same. C greater than 0.25, and then the first one is 0.02. Okay, not sure with that one. Should have something like 1 minus something, right? Or the symbol I think is bit weird. But yeah, let's forget that one first. But you know how to find this one. You can use the 0.025 or you can use the 0.975. Yeah. But the value will be same, 1.90 something. If the upper limit will be plus, if the lower limit will be negative. Okay? Yeah. Let me refill why that one. Okay, so and then you can put it here inside the formula. This one. Okay. So this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. Again, this is decimal. This is the proportion, but you can change into a percentage. Yeah, also same, similar. Yeah. This one. So 95% of the proportion is from 18.5 to, yeah, around this number.
Why is this one using P?
P hat
P hack and the previous question use
X1.
X. Wait, use median. Use
Yeah,
mid.
mean because the question is not dealing with the average based on the question. This question is estimate the population proportion. So dealing with the proportion based on the question.
Proportion.
Proportion, like percentage, the proportion of some. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's
Okay,
not,
okay.
but the question one, this one is average.
This one's average.
Population mean time.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. There any other questions?
Kok
So-
isinya kayak gitu-gitu sih?
Give you directly the final answer, is it okay? So if proportion, just use the Z table.
Ini siapa itu cuy? Jadi topi. Oh itu topi. Ya ampun.
Do you have questions related to this one? These two questions?
What
No?
the book?
If no, then let's move to number 3. Or shall write down the answer?
Cuma lu harus hafal rumus saja, itu doang. If we're going to do a test, do we need to memorize the formula or not?
It's going to be provided.
The question is open book or
If you're success.
the formula is depends. I think it's mentioned in the subject outline. Let me check. Let's share. Open book and notes. Okay, so yeah. Really?
Apa?
Let's also
Kalau open book aman tuh, gampang. Enggak banyak aman ya, maksudnya kan lebih gampang.
Bisa tinggal nyatet rumusnya.
Iya, tapi kan tetap kalau bawa notebook. Kan tetap open book kan kalau bawa kertas dari luar.
Atau belum kapan tuh kayak kita bawa buku yang kita.
oh yes, it's open book.
Hah?
It's
Oh,
open.
really?
2 hours.
There's still hope.
And it's 2 hours?
Online. Online. And I think it's on site. Yeah, this is yeah, the final.
Main sih. Main. Enggak ada.
Yeah. First 10 questions are multiple choice.
Lumayan.
Untuk
Ya.
filming tuh. lumayan.
15 questions. 15 questions.
Jason, I feel naked.
What?
I feel naked.
Yeah, like what do you mean by that?
What's different about me right now?
You don't wearing a mask?
Yes, I feel naked.
Yes.
My
Yes.
face is naked. It
It's
is.
just feeling.
Still looks sexy.
Hey Jason. Hey Jason. Wanna go on a date later?
Hanya sedikit dong. Ayo, kamu mau nggak?
I asked him if you wanted to go on a date.
He's like, oh no.
Okay.
No, from this is actually yes.
So,
Jason actually wants to take with you for this.
okay, can I continue? Can I continue? So it's okay, right? The final exam, open book, the news.
Yes.
News.
What
You
about
want-
next week?
Huh?
Next week.
Next week?
Yeah, the assessment.
Oh, you have assignment, right?
On-site or
Online.
online?
Online is on news, handwritten, so it's like.
Oh, really?
It's a bit different with the first. The
Oh,
first
so
one
wait, it's submitted online, but we have to handwrite it.
is,
So we need to take a picture.
and scan it to PDF. Yeah, so finally I can see your
Jadi maksudnya kita lagi jawab terus di kertas terus kini kirim untuk dulu.
Okay, let's continue for number 3. Is it okay? Number 3, I only have.
So will the test be executed in classroom or in each room?
It's online, right? The
Oh, online.
quiz. No, the next week assignment is online. Yeah. Available Friday up to, let me check. Up to Monday midnight or
What? Right, the web.
oh, yeah. The latest will be Sunday, 20th of October. The latest. I think it's open from Monday.
Gak bisa di copy
Monday
soalnya.
to
Lu mau foto terus lu bisa foto. Tapi kan cuma bisa foto.
You have 3 hours. 3 hours.
Cuma 3 nomor aja.
Guys, susah apa?
If 1 hour you feel like pressure. If 3 hours is yeah. Yeah, 3 hours.
Oh, nggak
That's
gitu.
fashion.
Oh, nggak pernah kayak gitu.
Answer the paper. Hah? 3 hours.
3 hours.
Caranya nggak dikasih kan?
Dikasih.
You are not allowed to use Excel to answer the question.
Itu mesti belajar lah kayak
Jujur sama kayak GPT.
Yes, it's in the middle.
GPT cuma bisa 3 kali loh, sehari.
Okay.
Dicicil 5 account.
Okay. Can I continue?
Dari HP. HP bapak lu, HP mak.
Beda akun beda.
Aku beda limit. Itu bapak lu punya yang premium pro.
Okay, so this one is quite national survey research has flash data. So given that the standard deviation is 10 minutes,
Sering kemarin.
the question is asking how large the sample size. So asking the n, the sample size. Usually we know the
Kuis
n,
kita
right?
ngomong sama si
Now
Sasli, Cuk,
we don't
tentang
know.
kuis institusi itu. Yang ketutup itu maksudnya lu. Ya ini kan
Ya, tapi sama kamu dulu juga kan
Yes.
sering.
iya.
We need
Ada
to
sisi
print the question paper on
Iya, gimana gitu?
based on
Dia bulan
the
depan
this one.
maju lagi satu jam.
Enggak. Singkatnya mundur sih Pak. Maksudnya tapi berapa bulan lagi?
Yes, you need to print the
Hah?
so you have to do it here questions.
What do you need to
No,
print?
inside it's online, I guess. Yeah.
Maksudnya kita print kalau ngerjain di rumah boleh.
No,
Yeah.
you only have 3 hours, you know.
No, that's why I'm asking.
Gimana? Buka, print, kerjain.
Berarti ketika itu.
Ini kan lo bisa di rumah kalau ada itu.
Yes. Do you have any printer?
No.
No. Wait.
Berarti lo harus
Or in case if
di sini lo
okay. In case if let me clarify this one with the Sydney subject coordinator first. But I think the important is the answer, right? The question also can be not print but just submit the PDF. It's also possible, right?
Oh,
From the yeah. So it's also possible. Yeah, because it's online submission. Yeah. But again, maybe I will send it to. Do you often read your email? Yeah, I will give you the update soon. Yeah.
You have entered your ID to data for your version will appear. Print the tiles.
Because it's like online, and every one of you will have different questions. Depends with your ID. That's why you need to enter.
Itu ya mereka mau coba.
So no need to
Iya,
yeah,
mau
ask answer with your friend because it will be different.
dari tempat. Kita udah use better source. More reliable.
Yeah.
Iya. Ngobrol.
Okay.
Pak. Gak masuk akal.
Ini kok kemana-mana nggak perlu bawa helm? Oh, naik Grab nggak lepas.
Jadi ini kamu punya 3 jam untuk nge-print, untuk kerjain, untuk nge-PDF itu sampai
Okay. About the printing stuff, I need to clarify. But I guess if no need to print, you can just submit the. You can because it's online submission, right? Just like same as PDF. Yeah, it's also possible. Yeah, but you need to correctly input your ID. Yeah. So let me check this week and please check your email. Okay. All the information I will distribute from email this week before next week because next week is already open. Okay. Okay, so this one is asking the sample size right now, the n. Yeah, we know the confidence interval still 95%, and what else we know? The standard deviation, and this one estimate the mean interview is within 1.5 minutes. Yeah, that's why you have this formula. This formula. You also, this one is also located here. The formula. Here. Here, estimating sample size. Yeah, this one. Okay, from the questions, let me make it this two.
Apa aja? Apa aja? Aduh.
Okay, can you see this one clearly? Okay, so okay, this one is for dealing with average value, the upper one. The second one is dealing with the proportion, like the previous example. This one is for the mean, this one is for the proportion. That's why they have the p hat. This question is
Itu kan di bawah.
dealing with proportion or mean?
Di atas.
Mean, ya.
Di
You
atas
have
lebih ramai daripada.
so okay. B after this I will explain. Here.
Estimate the mean interval.
Okay. Yeah. To find the sample size, you have two formula. Yeah. First is with mean, second with proportion. Based on the question, this one is mean, so this one. And what is B? Okay. You can see from the formula. What is B? Is this one. So you already know this one is 95% confidence, so the alpha is 0.05. Alpha over 2 will be 0.025. This one B is the within 1.5 minutes. It's the maximum error actually. Yeah. B represent like the maximum error. Yeah. How it will deviate from the questions. And then you know that the standard deviation is 10. So to estimate the mu, you can get this one. So the n should be greater than 173 something. This is 3 decimal place. Okay. This one, how to get 1.96 from the Z table, where the alpha is 0.025. This, I think if you see this one, Z alpha over 2 is 1.96 for the 95% confidence interval. So the final result, a sample size of 171 is needed. Yeah, we cannot get 170.73 people. So round it up, 171 is needed.
So question 3 is we're looking for sample.
Yeah, the n. Now find the n. This is the formula to find the n.
Oh.
Usually we know the n, right? But now we are asking you for the n. Okay. Okay. Let's see again. Last questions. Still related to this one. Last questions. So this one, a new cheese product is to be test market by giving a free sample. Yeah. Now the confidence interval is changed, become 90%. So your alpha become 10%. And this one, target sampling error. Okay. Would you recommend if preliminary estimate indicate that approximately 45% of the individual in the population will like the product? So this is dealing with the proportion because 45%, not million. Yeah. So here, like this one.
Aku tanya.
Okay, this one. Yeah, the target sampling error.
Paper piece.
Sedikit.
Yep.
Expensive.
Huh?
Expensive.
I know.
Wow.
Nothing. In about Makwan Mall.
Wow.
From Bakwan Mall.
Yeah, all these are plates.
Okay, do you want to take a break?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Ada
5 minutes. Today's question is not too many, I think.
Jadi dari mana? Pakuan mau.
I give you 5 minutes if you want to fill up your water. Ayo. If you want to go to restroom.
Apa cek?
Apa pajak? Where is that?
I think they have
Makwan
cup
Mall.
over.
Oh.
It's the park.
Yeah.
Oh,
Selatan.
selatan. Enggak di Bakwan Mall.
Aku East Coast tau. Oh, PM. Oh iya di barat. Iya.
Enggak sih, ada base kayaknya.
Lagi bagus tuh.
Mau lah. Kalau tapi oke sih.
Coach, if you want to go to restroom, it's okay. I give you 5 minutes.
I need restroom.
But don't forget not longer than 5 minutes.
Oke bos.
Okay.
Siapa yang mau ganti dia mau? Aku ikut, aku mau. Ada orang sih. Ya udah ayo. Aku ganti vote aku. I'll change my vote. Berarti enggak badminton.
Enggak, aku mau cicil hari wis.
So yang mana
Thank you. Kan nonton. Tergantung kata-kata soalnya aku lebih sering nonton Jen, nggak ada nonton sih 3 tahun. Kadang-kadang dek urgensi 21. Jadi aku biasanya nonton Jen itu 6:30 sebelum kan nonton Jen. Kenapa udah sejam total? Loh, Fit, kamu apa gak esok Selasa? Kamu apa gak esok Selasa? Misalnya diganti Selasa.
Oh, hari ini ya?
Oh, bukan.
Yang berarti
Iya, buat yang ganti voting itu.
Oh, aku kira buat this week.
Oh, bukan. Itu maksudnya buat seterusnya. Kebanyakan. Jadi kalau kamu 80% bisa ya,
Oke.
ikut. Soalnya mau lain tapi dan Selasa gak apa-apa.
Gak apa sih, aku kira buat this week. Soalnya kemarin tuh mau ngerjain esai.
Oh, enggak apa-apa. Ini buat di depan, tapi bulan ini masih di hari Jumat terus.
Oke.
Udah beli sore Pak.
Oh, nggak terlalu rame kok besok Jumat. Iya, makanya enak. Iya. Berarti minggu depan tuh.
Enggak, saya belum. Bulan depan. Minggu depan hari Rabu, belum kasih tahu. Iya, soalnya ada Pak Putra kadang-kadang sehingga hari Kamis nggak jadi.
Oh, itu apa sih maksudnya?
Nggak tahu.
Kamu ikut lah.
Apa?
Mereka mau ikut main. Ikut apa? Main apa?
Waduh, kalau aku sih nggak tahu ya. Kalau main Pak Putra.
Ikut lah. Aku ikut. Soalnya lagi sepi.
Apa? Enggak lah.
Minggu depan mulai. Ada ikut. Semua. Syara enggak. Syara udah enggak. Kenapa? Mau dapat mama? Dia kamu ikut badminton. Kamu doang yang nggak ikut. Kamu juga nggak ikut? Iya, tapi ada ya, tapi aku nonton aja aku nggak main. Ya udah, itu nonton mereka. Aku mau makan ayam tulang. Iya, udah mau. Aku suka.
Okay, it's already 5 minutes.
Ayam SBS itu juga apa? Punya pacar pokoknya. Gak apa kok tapi kok Ikro gue deh. Emang dia budek lah.
Apa? Kasihan lo Jos mbak.
Okay, let's continue.
Ngapain sama dia?
Enggak apa.
Hari ini nggak masuk sih DC.
Oh ya?
Iya sih nggak masuk. Sing tadi masuk bareng Mbak Steven harusnya tadi kelas.
Okay, can I continue or let's my break? No? Okay, right?
Oh ya, kita punya couple. Aduh.
Okay.
Jel. Couple gimana? Jel. Bye.
Yeah. Now the confidence interval is changed, become 90%. So the alpha will be like 10%. Yeah. The alpha will be 10%. So alpha over 2 will be 5%. So 0.05. Yeah. And we know the target sampling error, the maximum error is how many this one from this questions? 3%. So 0.03, yeah. And this question asking you to find the n, the sample size. Yeah. But this one is dealing with the mean, dealing with the proportion. So this one is the formula. This one is the formula. This one is the formula. Okay, n equal to greater than. So, do you know the p hat from the questions? The p hat, 45%. So the p hat equal with 45% or 0.45. So the q hat will be equal to
0.55.
yeah 0.55. Okay, and you have the b also. And let's find the alpha over 2. But this one is not the 95% confidence interval, but this one is the 90%. Okay, so this one a bit different with this one. Yeah, if this one you can use this one and this one because you find the upper limit, you find the upper limit, also you find the lower limit. But this one is asking you the last number of size, so you only care about this area. Yeah, your end should cover all of here. That's why if you care about this area, so if this one is around 95%, 90%, this one will be how many percent? 5%. 5%. Yeah, 5%. It's not 5%. 5%. Yeah. So because you care this one, so this area will be around 95%. Okay, this one. So 0.95. So you see from the z-score is the 0.95. 0.95 has two factors. This one. So to get the number, you can plus this one, and then you divide it by 2. 1.64, 1.65. So you plus it and divide it by 2.
Also, for this sample size, we can't use the 0.05.
No.
Search for
Yeah.
0.95.
You can put the area because you find the how many is the n. It should cover all here.
It depends on the question. Depends on the question.
Depend on the question. If confidence interval, you can use it. Yeah. So this one you get.
Pikirin terus. Miss, in question what are we looking for? And again.
And again. But that one is dealing with the mean, right? This one is dealing with the proportion.
Oh,
Different formula.
No.
Normal.
Wait,
Main kalau
Yes.
so why did
Bareng
we
dia main
have
kalau
to
juga.
Care about the rest.
Keluar.
If you want to find the n, which cover all this,
Nah, gue jago.
the n should be larger than this one. So should be about the left area, yeah. This one.
So in what question do we search for that?
No, for the finding the sample size
Oh,
should be larger than the minimum, right? So find just care about the left area, yeah.
okay.
If no questions, it's time to practice, I think. But this one, I give you the final answer directly here, but no manual calculation. So I mean, you can check whether or not your answer is correct. Yeah, I forget to cut it off. But it's also available on Fuse, I think. Maybe if you want to check. Last week, yeah, it's not available. One. So if you want to
That's already the answer.
yes, but no calculation. No, yeah, there's no way. It's fine.
Let's check.
you need to find the x bar.
Habis itu kok jadi 0,45 ini 0,5 dari mana?
From the question, this is 0. Given from the question.
Oh, so the 0.4. So we just calculate all of it and then the final result is 7.44.
You get this one, right? The q
okay.
is 1 minus 0.5.
Okay, yes.
You have to be careful for number 1. Is it using the t or the z? Depends with the questions. So maybe I show it to you the one, the decision rule. This one. Okay, you have to follow this one to decide. Number 1 is asking you the confidence interval, right? You use this one or this one? Depends with the questions. Oh, the question. Oh, no. The first decision is choosing this one first. Is it proportion or mean? So here. Parents population. Yeah, from the question. Yeah. I mean, if it is the population is normal distribution, so yes. But it's not given, right? Again, given in the question usually. It is known that the population follow normal distribution, so it yes.
No. There's no.
Kok ada answer Oh, ada answer
Right, correctly. Okay.
Wow.
You can answer, cannot find. Something wrong with this question. Okay, so let's assume your question is normal distribution. Yeah, let's assume this one is given. Yeah, maybe forget to mention something there. So we skip this one and decide this one. Is the population known or unknown? No. Yeah, so use this one. Yeah, should be longer the questions. Be following this. Yeah. Assume is normally distributed. Yeah.
Harusnya sih. Harusnya sih. Iya.
So assume is normally distributed. Maybe for that.
Ya, nah ini. Kita nggak tahu dari ini apa. Ya kan?
Yeah, this one is up to this one.
Aku SG-nya 3 digit.
3 digit.
Yeah.
And
But
it's affected
it's not
the
consistent. Sometimes they use 4, sometimes they use 3, sometimes they use 2.
Okay, how if using 3? Your final answer will be
7.649 and 4.7.
Biasa sih. Aku dari dulu.
4.7. But this one is 6.9, yeah. But how about this one? Oh, this one is different.
4.73.
13.
Aku udah capek.
With the round up. But this one is the standard deviation they use 4. That's why with
It's different.
it's okay?
Yes, It's okay.
I will please give the correct all of you if you write down all the calculation. Please write it down, yeah. So I know where do you get the number, yeah.
Pardon?
So during your test, assignment, and so on, please write down up to everything, all the calculation inside, yeah.
What?
I mean, yeah. For example, like
What if it's 2.1897?
oh no. I mean, if you use 3 decimal place, just write it down. So I mean, I know where is your answer come from.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, so I know. Yeah, do not just give me this one directly. I mean, you have to follow all of this.
Wait, so 2 or 3 decimal?
Should be 3. Yeah,
But-
we stick to 3, but I don't
Why
know why
sometimes
this
it's
one 4.
2 decimal?
Huh?
Sometimes
Sometimes
it's
yeah, it depends with this. Yeah, but I think we stick to 3 is better. Yeah. So that's why I'm asking you to write them out, so I know the difference.
Punya gue sekarang gitu.
Okay. For number 2 is asking you not the confidence interval, but the sample size.
Harusnya pakai ini.
And here is the final answer.
Nah,
Because
panjang itu
asking you
beda.
the sample size.
Panjang apa?
This one is
Kakak foto.
you have to round it all. Yeah, it's impossible to collect the data from the 1.5%. 57, I think. This is the sample
Awal-awal
size.
jadi.
Yeah, should be in the gel.
Packing aja deh. Packing aja. Packing. Ya. Balik ini, balik ini.
Okay. So for the sample size, always integer. Yeah, it's difficult
Berarti kan ada nomor
to
berapa?
find this sample size comma. Yeah,
Nomor 2 baru mari.
it's like how many people we need to survey.
So for the sample size, we should round down.
No decimal size. Yeah, the sample size. Yeah.
Kamu tahu tuh? 2, 3, 4 itu ada nggak pas?
Aku juga. Di bawah juga ada bang.
Tahu ya.
Bajuku tuh udah
Tapi mungkin
ibu.
bukan lebih beda, lebih ke praktek ya harusnya. Harusnya.
Harus sih kamu takut kamu belajar gini aku
jurusan masak aja.
Here
kan jurusan mas anjing.
for the number 3
Dulu gua
is
siap
dealing with the
aja, temanku ada di sini
proportion.
jurusan mas.
Okay, dealing with the proportion. So the formula is that one. Yeah.
Namanya Jason lagi.
Then this is the final answer. Okay, so
Dan bisa jawab.
you learn several formula today.
Enggak ada.
Ada.
You also learn how to use the table, the T
Awal
table.
kamu deh itu. Kalian mau pindah jurusan masak, mau Singapura ya, on jago. Namanya Jason. Terus dia ngomong, anjing,
If
kamu
no
mau pasar aja.
questions, then the class is
Memang
dismissed.
pasar.
I will inform you as soon as possible about regarding the quiz. Still unsure. Yeah.
Nama itu boleh. Hah? Boleh tambah nama.
So just be prepared next week you will have
Nggak
quiz.
tahu, aku nggak tahu. Nggak diambil.
Tahu kan apa? Nanti kan nggak apa.
Yeah. Should be
Aku tadi
Monday.
jadi Anton.
Mau diambil.
Yeah.
John.
Joni juga.
Okay. See you next week.
Joni jelek dong. Joni. Lucu. Franco.
Have you take notes this one? It's not upload on YouTube. So either you can
Iya,
take picture.
Mia.
Ya Alexander.
Itu kan nama cewek.
How about the previous already?
Itu udah foto.
Iya, aku beda
Okay, ya.
Enggak ada. Web udah.
Eh,
Oh, Miss, will you picture the answers
Aku sampai di board.
on
yang
views?
foto.
wait, I need to take a picture.
The PPT, 2 views. Yes, this is answer
No.
me.
I think I can upload this one.
Oh, why?
Well, not sure. I don't have the access to it.
Oh.
Or let me check.
Or if you can, if you want, you can just send to Gmail. To
Gmail. But I think all the communication should be on
Situ di depan.
Oh no, with email no problem.
With email,
No problem. Yeah. Some of the teachers communicate with email.
Oh, okay. So, okay. I think I will send it from the first to 4 weeks, yeah?
Yeah.
On this one. The PPT.
Can you send it to the email?
Yeah. So, the other
Oh, oh.
lecturer can send